supposed to do? How am I supposed to fend? I have a sick child I'm supposed to take to the hospital. I'm low on cash. My husband is the person that handles all our business activities. I don't know anything about what we do when it comes to money. People know how. Good morning. Good day, well-meaning Nigerians. Guys, I haven't slept. I couldn't sleep. Sorry. Neither could my child sleep as well. My child has been Daddy. I got Jamal. No, actually. Ready. My child has been sick. My child has been sick, and it has been more than 36, almost 48 hours now, and I've not seen my husband, nor have I heard from him. Since yesterday, Jackie left the house, only for me to end up calling, and I don't know, everybody's shutting me out. Nobody's telling me what is happening. You guys know my situation. You guys know what it means. Look at me. I am very heavy, and I have a very sick child as well. Please, I'm begging on Nigerians. I don't know what is happening. This is the first time something like this is happening. I've lost my voice. There is nothing I can. I've cried. It's not even helping. I'm not even helping myself, because in this situation, I shouldn't even jeopardize my emotional stability. Not for me. Please, I'm begging you people. Please, I don't know what. This time is not a time to start calling out, or to start casting stone, or to start putting up blame, saying who did what and what did not do. Please, I'm just begging on the people that took him. I don't know who they are. It is not yet. I don't know, but what I know is that my husband is not back home, and his numbers, they are not going. I've called, I've texted. It is unlike him. Go online, you won't even see him online. Chijoke that works 247. And what am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to fend? I have a sick child I'm supposed to take to the hospital. I'm low on cash. My husband is the person that handles all our business activities. I don't know anything about what we do when it comes to money. People know how. You people know how we've been going back and forth about putting me into business, but he hasn't, and I had to let it go for peace to reign because of some emergencies. I always say this, but my husband, I know he's a stubborn person. That has been established. Right now, I don't have access to anything. I don't have access. I don't have access to the ATM, let alone having access to the bank account or details or money. I don't know the investments in DE. I don't have all those details. My husband is everything to us. He's the breadwinner. He's the provider. He's everything. And shutting him down like that was shutting all of us down. Shutting my child down, shutting me down, and shutting my baby down as well. Please, I'm begging you people, we can dialogue this, we can talk about this. Please. I don't know where Chijioke is. I just want him to be released, if not for my sake, for the sake of the baby I'm carrying, and for the sake of this sick child. Please, I'm begging you people, and then I'm begging Nigerians as well to support me. Let's make this move. I don't know what my husband did that is so grave to warrant it. I don't know what my husband did that is so grave to warrant an immediate arrest. Please. I don't know I don't even know where he is. I'm tired. It's just me. No family has even bothered to call. You people know that I'm not in good terms with any of his family members. Nobody has communicated to me. Nobody has even called to check up on me. And I'm not so near proximity-wise to my own family as well. So it's just me. I've been alone with this child. The helps I have, I've sent them back home a long time ago due to some of my chest. I feel a lot is happening, a lot is going on with me. Please, I'm just doing this video because I know it would get, I don't know my reach. It's not, I don't know, but I know that somebody somewhere will see this video. And please share this video so that these persons that are involved can have empathy, can have sympathy. It's just me. I know my husband went overboard. He should have curtailed, he should have maximized or minimized. But that is just, nobody's trying to cast blame, like I said. In details, I would give my full story as well. I would give my own accounts. You people know it's not today that I've started talking about how dogmatic, how stubborn Chijioke is. And now look at where his stubbornness has led all of us. Look at what has happened. But I'm not blaming him. He's still my husband. And I need him now more than ever. Not because of anything, but because of the situation that I'm into. Please, I'm begging Nigerians. I'm begging every mother out there. I'm begging every pregnant woman out there. I'm begging every father out there to share this video, to beg, to please forgive my husband. They say to err is to human, but to forgive is divine. Nobody's above mistake. You people know how we started. You people know where Chijioke and I started. We started from the barest minimum. We are just trying to do things to survive. And then we're not harming anybody. Ayana Ezuoshi, Ayana Ebu Mad, only I name nke dika nke di njọ. Ndị mmadụ na-ebugasị mmadụ. Ndị mmadụ na-ezugasị oshi. Ayana eme all those things. My husband is a very intelligent man that has created a niche for himself. Please, in the sake of whatever he's doing, not a hand. I'm begging you people to please have mercy. This man is just a young man that is trying to make ends meet for himself and his family. Please, please, I'm begging you people. So that, because what the devil is planning is huge. Let's not give glory to the devil. Please, I'm begging you people. People can lie you. I'm pleading. I am pleading. Please, you people should have mercy. Please. I've been calling all this. My child misses his father. He has been glued. If you people follow my content, you see videos where I've been posting how my child has been glued to his father recently. He doesn't, it is his father. And ever since he hasn't seen him, his body system has changed. It has been from one all the people I've called, nobody is giving me a vital information that would just at least salvage the situation, that would give me a little peace. Everybody's telling me to calm down. How can you tell a woman to calm down? How can you tell a pregnant woman to calm down when she doesn't know where her husband is? Yo. Yeah. Take baby shark. Please, for peace sake, please. If people are not seeing me in this is my most vulnerable state. Please. Recently, I don't know the last time I've been in the closet. I've not even come out to say anything about this, even when I have a lot to say, because I'm trying to gather my strength. I am a woman that is pregnant. And then I need all the rest. I've been on rest for a while. All the contents that I've been putting out there have been contents that I've made a little while ago. There's nothing recent about anything people are saying, because I've been on rest. And right now, all my body has been rattled. I'm not stable emotionally. I'm not even stable financially. You can see I'm not even stable physically. And it is not even about me anymore. I have dependents. And I'm not emotionally strong to cater for these children alone. Please, let's source, share posts, make comments, make please. I just want to see my husband. Please. I just want to see my husband coming back home. He has not even eaten. Nobody's talking about. I don't even know where he is. And then the worst thing that can happen is when somebody's by this age, this modern period, and his number is not even going through. I have called. Because, please, this child needs me. And I don't have the strength to imagine carrying this baby, just me. No help. It's just my husband that I have. And they're finally taking him away from me. Please. This is not the time to start calling out families. But situations like this sometimes, or if anybody has any vital information, please reach out to me. All of the staff, nobody is giving me what I want. All of the friends, nobody's telling me what I want. You don't give a matured lady silence. No. I can handle whatever it is. Please. At least for closure's sake. At least let me know where he is. Even if it's to take food. Even if it's to talk about, discuss about all those things. Seeing him alone would sometimes you just don't know that the tiniest of thing you do can escalate and lead into something something that would affect your whole generation. Please, I need your help. My child needs your help. My children need your help. Whatever it is that these people want, they should say it. Instead of going the other way around, silent, they should say it. What is it? Okay, when somebody breaks something, you say, this is what you do for a damage. That is the normal way they do things. I don't even have strength to talk. I don't have this strength. You can see when I talk small, I'll pant. When I talk small, I rest. I don't have that strength anymore. About that, about that. I don't have. Please, you people should bring what you want to the table. Say it. And then if you don't meet up to your needs or to your requirements, you will not take whatever measure you want to take. And if you're taking it, you take it the normal route. Imagine pick. It's not fair. What was said with mouth. So can it not be corrected with mouth as well? I don't know. I'm just confused. I'm saying thousands of things are rushing through my head. My head is banging. I'm not stable. And anything can happen when it is involving a pregnant woman. Because there is a life that is dependent on my stability. Please.